Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check TikTok stats, and here's how it is done. To begin, go to your TikTok app, go to Profile. In the upper right side of your screen, click the three-line button or the Settings button. Now click the Settings and Privacy button. Under the Account option, you will see Account, Privacy, Security, and Permissions, your orders and shared profile. You will click the account. To see your TikTok stats, you have to click Switch to Business Account. Just continuously click Next until you reach the Choose a Category option. Now select the category that best describes your account. Once you already choose a category, click Next. Now you can add your email account or choose to skip. Then you will see this notification. Click the X or Exit button. Now to check your TikTok stats, go to your settings by clicking the three-line button. Click Business Suite, then Analytics. From here, you will see your TikTok stats. That is everything you need to know about how to check TikTok stats. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.